Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will learn how to send money using World Remit mobile application, or using this platform you can send your money fraction of second one country to another country. Your money transfer fraction of second, like Dubai to India, America to India, or any country. Like I am right now in Germany, so I am transferring some money like euro to INR conversion and send my money in my Indian account or my family account. It's just only fraction of second using this World Remit application. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So let's start as a demo.
So let's start as a demonstration. You open browser and just type here World Remit, enter. So this URL is, I'm putting this URL in video description. You can visit and check there also. So look at this. This is a desktop website of the World Remit. You can use this platform and send your money one country to another country. Here two applications also available, like Android store and iOS devices. You can install those applications in your smart mobile phone, and same process you can do. So first of all, I am sign up, create my account absolutely free. So I am putting here email address and then password. You can use get referral code, but I have no referral code. Continue, save. So just only simply I am login, sign up using my email ID and my password, and then I'm selecting the country where exactly I'm sending the money. So India, get started. So like a bank transfer, bill payment, airtime top up. So bank transfer. So 1 DKK means 11.68 INR. Continue. So just I am typing here 10,000 DKK. So I am receiving 1,16,842 rupees within a minute, and this is our fees 39 DKK, means accordingly in Indian currency 400 INR, and then simply continue. After continue, recipient, add new recipient like my Indian account. So I am adding my original name here, Sangram Singh, middle name optional, home address Aurangabad, Maharashtra, my mobile number here like this one, and then bank number, bank name, so ICICI Bank, branch code like Hyderabad, Telangana, branch name Kutpalli, branch code, account name, and continue. And then after continuing, this application asking me in Danish bank account detail, and just simply transfer the money in Indian account using this platform. It's amazing features, and just only fraction of second those money are transferring Denmark to India. It's very simple. You can use World Remit application and transfer money. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.